Morning. A little breakfast on the campsite. We're gonna do just egg sandwiches. Ain't nothing. It's just a muffin. It's just a sandwich. Gonna get the ham going. It's not a moons over my hammy either. Nope, it's just an egg sandwich. Ham, egg, muffin. Classic. Oh wait, not sponsored. I mean, why would it? Because like 5 people are gonna watch this anyway, so that's cool. Bata. Bata makes it better. So here we are at the campsite. It's beautiful. Got the fishing. This is just kind of pretend fishing. We're gonna get serious later. First, sustenance. So, you gotta have a sharp knife. You know, and this guy right here, chef's choice, does the job. I mean, you're like, got your usual suspects. Got some olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic. You know what? Old Bay is actually good on everything. So that's kind of all we got for seasoning. Food. Just doing traditional American food. Oh, yes, American food. I said it. We're gonna do it. For shizzle. Sizzling. Sizzle. That's what we're looking for. Let that go. Put the ham back where the ham belongs. Good man, Bassy Rappy. Hey, we're from Washington, by the way. New to Washington comes with a Subaru. Ha ha ha, is that funny? Fat bottom pans, they don't heat up very fast. How's the fishing action down there?
Doesn't look good.
I think we missed our window for fishing right now.
Oh, yeah?
We have plans today. Like that hound dog right there. We're gonna pause for a moment. Salt. Brush cracked. And yeah, I'm gonna do it just a little bit.
That does smell good.
Pop the yolk. good. Oh, that's going to be delicious. Just leave that right like that. And just like that. You have a delicious egg sandwich.
Nummy, nummy.
Can't go wrong. Start you off on the right foot. Or the wrong foot, depending how your camping trip's going to go. And, well, I know how mine's going to go. American cheese on the egg. Take that guy like that. Slide on like that. A little hammy. Like that. Wait, there's more. Secret. A little bit more nummy. You take some sriracha mayo like that. Look at there. Let's give this thing a go and see what happens. Magnifique. Delicious. Camp on. Wander.